Hi everyone, let's take a closer look at these two bad boys. Here we have the very well known and popular Subaru gearbox, the R4 Plus, which is widespread worldwide. It has been on the market since 2005 and has garnered many satisfied users. However, as time has passed, car performances and customer requirements have increased. Therefore, we have created the successor to this popular product, which is the R4 Pro. The R4 Pro combines the latest advantages and features of our gearboxes. A major advantage over the R4 Plus lies in the shift mechanism, which has been completely redesigned based on the reliable and proven pattern from our Subaru Plus. Another huge advantage lies in the dog rings that engage gears 1, 2 and 3, 4. The R4 Pro incorporates new and stronger dog rings with undercut geometry, resulting in a significantly longer lifespan. Additionally, there is no occurrence of the so-called gear popping phenomenon thanks to the slightly undercut shape of the dog engagement system. Furthermore, it is fitted with much stronger shift forks, optimized shafts and reinforced gears, while retaining all the offered gear ratio variants known from the R4 Plus. The maximum torque for this gearbox remains the same at 1000 Nm. However, as I've already mentioned, it's important to know that the R4 Pro will offer longer life and many other benefits. This gearbox is suitable for rallying, but it can also be used in drag racing, circuits, or even street racing. Don't hesitate to take a step forward with the R4 Pro. I can assure you it will propel your car towards better performance and victories.